Hello guys. After the configuration of IPv6 address on Cisco Packet Tracer, we have to compare some IPv6 address types here. So today we are going to discuss about IPv6 address types. In address types, we have so many things in this. Like IPv6 has so many address, like it has unicast, link local, unique local, and so many addresses are there. So we have to discuss it one by one because IPv4 consists unicast, multicast, anycast address. In this, an interface is expected to have multiple addresses. Okay, so it also listen to various multicast address, sometime unicast, sometime multicast, sometime broadcast. So in IPv6, yes, broadcast address no longer exists, sorry, but rather another addresses are already exist. So first of all, we have an address named unicast. Here you can see unicast is there. So unicast is one-to-one communication. We know that one-to-one communication. In this unicast address, it uniquely identify an interface and transmission to a single receipt. Okay. In unicast, after unicast, we have link local address. In link local address, scope is limited to directly attached network. The link local address is represented with FE80 /10. It is link local address. And after link local, we have unique local address. Technically, the scope is global. Unique local address, technically its scope is global, but it is really limited to your network. We can say it is similar to private IPv4 addresses. IPv4 private IP address is similar to this, but unique local address, the type of unique local is FC00:7. And after this, we have global unicast. Its scope is global. It is similar to IPv4's public IP address, but in IPv6 it is of like this. Okay, after that, after unicast, link local and multicast, we have address a global unicast, multicast. Multicast, you know that transmission to several receipts, one to many transmission. In this we have two types also. The two types are, one are assigned. First of all, I have to remove this. Multicasts are divided into assigned, and also multicasts are divided into solicitor node. Okay, so assigned address are FF0S:8, and these address FF02:1, FF00:000, but it is not used as a practical, so it is just address of multicast. So the important thing after the multicast is anycast address. Anycast is a collection of devices share the same IPv6 address. Transmission is to the closest address, like topographically, and it is identical to unicast, so only difference is administrative. Okay, so anycast address is a collection of device which use same IPv6 addresses. And after that we have modified EUI. First of all, we need to understand what is EUI. So this is the theory topic, EUI. EUI is extended unique identifier. Now, what is this actually? So EUI64 is, for example, a host can automatically assign itself a unique 64-bit IPv6 interface identifier. Okay, we don't need manual configuration or DHCP. In EUI, it will automatically assign. So EUI64 is also like modified also. There is a type is modified also. In this, the 7th bit is the universal bit. So yeah, 1 for universal, and 0 is for local. And at last we have one more type, and the type name is Oh, okay, so I will write it only. It is auto configuration. Auto configuration is similar to DHCP in IPv4. Okay, so router running in IPv6 can give the network prefix and gateway address to client looking for an IPv6 address. Okay, so these are the IPv6 address types. Thank you so much.